this is the new normal, the 2 metre safe distance we must keep that defines life for many people now, and danger for those who can't. But for how long? When will it end? The answer in part lies in the global race for a vaccine against COVID-19. Edward O'Neill is a medical researcher taking part in what is currently the world's most well-advanced vaccine trial at Oxford University.
There is a very good, well-qualified team trying to do everything they can as carefully and as quick as they can so that we have great confidence in the results. I myself am one of many volunteers who wanted to be part of it. I think we all want to have the lockdown to end, but more importantly to help save lives.
Scientists at Oxford's Jenner Institute began a trial involving 1,100 people last week, which they'll expand to 6,000 participants in May. If successful and with fast-tracked approval from the regulator, the first few million doses of a vaccine could be available by September. And they've just received good news from labs in the United States, where 6 rhesus macaque monkeys, the closest animal species to humans, were given the Oxford vaccine and then exposed to large quantities of the virus. 28 days later, all 6 were reported healthy. That's no guarantee of success, of course, and nor are the Oxford scientists alone. There's a Chinese company that's also had positive results with rhesus macaque monkeys. There are at least 2 US companies and a German one that have launched small-scale clinical trials, and they're among dozens into which millions of dollars are being poured in the search for a vaccine. The scientific community is only cautiously optimistic.
With many vaccines, you only get a proportion of the population that becomes immune, and so the virus can keep circulating but at a much lower rate. So we shouldn't hope that any vaccine will absolutely eliminate this in a matter of months or even years, but it should be very helpful in helping control it and keep it at a lower level.
And the challenges mount daily. Successful trials depend on participants injected with the vaccine being exposed naturally to the virus. As infection rates decline in some parts of the world, that becomes harder to achieve. The success of social distancing measures, therefore, the new normal, may paradoxically make the wait for a vaccine even longer. Jonah Hull, Al Jazeera, Oxford.